Everybody would like to earn money online, but most people don't have extra time to start side hustles and businesses online. Which is why in this video, I'm going to show you 5 lazy ways to earn money online, which can create you passive income sources that don't require time for money so that you can earn money online even if you have an extremely busy schedule. Number 1 on this list is creating a faceless YouTube channel. I know you're probably thinking that creating a faceless YouTube channel takes a lot of work, but it's actually one of the laziest ways to earn money online. The key with this side hustle is the word faceless in faceless YouTube channel. With faceless YouTube channels, you never actually have to show your own face, which allows you to never actually work on the videos yourself. Unlike a YouTube channel like the one you're currently watching, because even if I outsourced everything, I would still have to record the videos myself because my face is the brand of the channel. But with a faceless YouTube channel, your face is never actually in the videos, so you could outsource every single element of your channel so that you have to do absolutely no work. But you might be thinking,
well, outsourcing work for a YouTube channel costs a lot of money.
But with a channel like this one, it's actually possible to make a video with as little as $10 or even $20. And these videos could have the possibility to make you hundreds or even thousands of dollars once you create them and upload them. So the investment is definitely worth it. Using websites like Fiverr and Upwork, you can find extremely cheap video editors for as low as $5 or $10, and thumbnail designers and voiceovers for as little as $5 each. Most of the cheap services in Fiverr are generally low quality and not very good. Because they're so cheap, they're not going to be high quality. So one of the ways to find high quality services for cheap on websites like Fiverr is to look for brand new sellers who have no reviews and don't really know what they're doing, because they might be pricing under market value and they might actually have really good services, but because they're brand new, they're trying to build up a reputation and credibility, so that way you can get high quality services for cheaper than someone who's experienced and knows that they can charge a lot more. Overall, I would rate starting a faceless YouTube channel at a 7 out of 10 because it's one of the laziest ways to make money online, but it does take some time to get it up and running because you have to outsource the work and get the channel monetized before you can earn money. But once it's all set up, it's one of the laziest ways and most passive ways to earn money online. Most of you have probably heard of freelancing before, and over the past few years, freelance video editors have become more and more popular. Traditionally, freelancing requires you to exchange some of your time in exchange for the buyer's money. Recently, with the rise of AI, there's more ways to automate your freelancing than ever. So instead of you doing the work, you can get an AI to do the work for you, and then you can get paid. Here's the income I made over the past few months using AI to do Fiverr orders for me. Now, it's not a large amount, but it's completely passive income because I'm not doing any of the work myself. There's been a rise in demand for short form editors because of platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and short form editing can be done 100% with AI. So here's a software called Opus Clip. It's a video editing software that can transform your long form clip into content for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. It automatically adds captions and emojis, etc. And here's an example of a Joe Rogan podcast clip, and I can drag the clip into Opus Clip and wait maybe 10 or 15 minutes, and then the hour-long podcast is turned into multiple completely edited short-form content clips. And you can do this with your client's files, so if they give you a file, you can just drag it into Opus Clip and it'll do the editing for you. You can even fine-tune things like the captions and what parts you want in the videos, so that way if there's any mistakes the AI made, you can tweak it yourself to make it perfect. So Opus Clip is unfortunately a paid AI, but they do offer 2 hours of free trial credits when you sign up. So that basically means you can use Opus Clip to edit 2 hours of your client's footage automatically before you run out of credits and you have to start paying. There's a lot of gigs on websites like Fiverr and Upwork that offer as much as $20 or even $30 per one edited short video. Here's an example of a gig charging $135 for 10 short videos. So if you can do all the work using Opus Clip, then you can make $135 by using AI to do the work for you. Overall, I would rate editing short form content using AI at a 9 out of 10 because it's one of the best ways to earn money online because there's no startup costs, you don't need any experience video editing at all because the AI is doing it all for you. And the only downside is sometimes it does take a while to get people to go to your Fiverr gigs and actually purchase your services, so you could be waiting a few days or weeks to actually get some clients. Number 3 on this list is digital products. Creating digital products online is a popular way to earn money online, and there's a good reason for it. It's a simple and effective way to earn money online. By selling digital products, you can earn 100% passive income even while you sleep. Because digital products sound like a perfect way to make passive income online, that makes it a super competitive space with millions of different digital products uploaded to different websites like Etsy. A way to fix high competition is to niche down and create extremely targeted products that target a specific audience so that there's low competition. If you search up invitations on Etsy, there's over 2 million different products on Etsy, so it's pretty much impossible to rank even in the top 100 pages. But if you search up something more targeted like Minions kid birthday invitations, there's only 4,000 results, which is a lot less competition, making it easier for you to be the one that shows up at the top on the first page where you're going to get a lot of sales. Using a website called freepick.com, you can go to the PSD section and look for kids birthday invitations, and all the ones without the crown on them are completely free to use without having to pay any money. And then you can take the image into Canva and edit it as much as you want so that you can create digital birthday invitations to sell online. All you have to do next is upload your product to Etsy, and then you can just wait for people to start purchasing your product so that you can make some passive income. Selling digital products, in my opinion, ranks at 8 out of 10, and the reason why is because it's really easy to do. You need no money to get started or existing skills to sell digital products online, and once it's set up, it's 100% passive income. The only issue is the high competition, and that's why I gave it an 8 out of 10. Number 4 in this list is selling t-shirts and other items online. Selling apparel online has never been easier with websites like Printify. Printify is a website that allows you to sell things like shirts without making the product yourself. On the website, you can create a bunch of custom things like t-shirts and phone cases with your own design, which you can sell online because when you get a sale, Printify fulfills the order for you and handles all of the shipping, and all you have to do is pay a fee once the product gets sold, so you're not paying any money unless you're selling products. There's multiple ways to come up with unique designs for your t-shirts and products. You could use Midjourney to come up with the products, or you could even use websites like Canva to create custom simple designs yourself, or you could hire people on freelancing websites like Fiverr and Upwork. Once you have a design, you can integrate Printify into websites including Etsy, Shopify, and Walmart. And once you set up a store to any of those websites, you can earn passive income because Printify is doing all the work for you. All you have to do is get people to buy your shirts and actually be interested in the product, and you don't have to create the product yourself. Overall, in my opinion, selling products with Printify is an 8 out of 10 because the scalability is endless. There's really no limit to how much money you can make with this, and once you set up your product, it's completely passive income. The biggest downside to the side hustle is promoting your products, because that might take some time for you to promote your products and get people to actually be interested in buying your products that you're selling. But once you set up your store and you get customers, it's 100% passive income after that. Number 5 on the list is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is, in my opinion, the best way to make passive income online. Anybody can earn anywhere from a few dollars to hundreds of thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing. In the description of this video you're watching right now, I have multiple affiliate links linking to different things that I earn a small commission from if you do click on it and buy the product or service that is in the link. And with this, I can earn passive income without really doing anything besides copy and pasting the links into the description of my videos. You don't need a YouTube channel to start affiliate marketing. All you need is some form of content that you're putting onto the internet. Now, this could be any type of content that you're interested in, but as long as you're interested in it, there's going to be a high chance that you actually enjoy doing it and that you'll continue creating it. You can promote affiliate links on pretty much any website like blogs, etc. And you can also promote them on pretty much any social media platform like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Most products and services that you can think of have an affiliate program that's actually pretty easy to find. If you're selling a physical product, there's a 90% chance it's probably going to be on Amazon, and Amazon has their own dedicated affiliate program that you can earn 5 to 10% commissions on. So if you're interested in promoting a physical product, you can use Amazon to do that. For any other types of products or services, you can just go to Google and look up the name of the product or service followed with affiliate program. if they do have an affiliate program, it's going to show up in your search results. Affiliate marketing can be the best way to earn money online if you have the proper target audience that's interested in the product you're promoting. For me, I would rank affiliate marketing on a 9 out of 10 just because of how low effort it is to do and how you can earn so much money with it. The only drawback is that you do need some form of audience, which usually means creating content on social media or on the internet in general. But once you have an audience, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to earn passive income online. Thanks for watching.